You had to change your wiper motor over and everything then?
No.
God, that's beautiful.
Wow.
That's gorgeous. I'd love to have one.
Yeah, that's way.
They're sexy.
Paul, I'm going to spell this. R-O-D-G-I-G-O.
I actually love the
RS.
Yeah, but I know how they did the edges. It makes the rims pop. That's really cool.
Yeah.
And Carl Henninger
Oh, they
from
could afford that in.
Harrisburg.
Wow.
Paul is from Newfoundland.
First gen.
Thank you.
First gen LS.
It's a beautiful Camaro.
Also, don't forget, we have the Bloodmobile. When you go in,
If you don't make snarky ass comments, I don't have to
I
cover
stop. What?
it. So if you don't make snarky ass comments, I don't have to cover it.
I didn't say anything.
Yet. Steelers.
Yeah. Pittsburgh, baby.
Building a custom van. I want to change things up on it, you know?
I don't know if you've noticed that,
And I'm trying to keep
but since having the 5.0, my love for Pittsburgh is slightly gone down.
I gotta get my dad one of those.
44 states
Yeah, I've noticed
in the
that.
United States.
I heard you. I said I noticed that.
Maybe I'll let you know the 6 we don't have.
I figured it was just because it wasn't season. Sorry.
Our club is around 500 members.
Yeah, I'm putting everything on.
More members than any club in Pennsylvania.
Oh, that's a 3.
Independent club, little small club.
It's not the same one, but
We're
yeah.
almost
I know, I
as
heard
big
him
as
say
good guys now. Blue Moon Cruisers. We also have our own license plate. Our own license plate. If you want to put your Blue Moon Cruiser tag on your car, your everyday driver, whatever. One of the few clubs, the only other one I know is Corvettes have a license plate. I helped them get that. This is Blue Moon Cruiser. You get the logo. The next number available is 135.
Are you 137?
You want a vanity
Oh, you said 135.
you can put your name on there.
I don't think that's for.
Oh.
It costs you $100.
That's the next tag number he's got.
Ah, gotcha.
That's nice.
That have vanity tags.
Ford Model A. Bless you. Sorry.
Around in Pennsylvania. Any vehicle 12,000 pounds or less. Car or truck, doesn't matter. See me.
Little bulldog. Hear me, hon?
What?
Little bulldog.
Huh?
Pissing on the tire.
Oh yeah.
Can you
That's a
please
straight
stop
sit.
running into me? This reminds me of Thunder Road. Reminds me of Grease Lightning.
That's what I was just about to say, bro.
All right, we got ice cream available.
That's cool.
We want to come up and get ice cream before it melts. Keith and Lavanna Shaw, Carl Heisley, and Lawrence Cohens. Please come up to the DJ table. John wants to see you.
You want me to take separate videos or just keep going?
Just keep going.
And
Where?
Lavanna Shaw,
Come on, back.
Carl Heisley.
Yeah, but then it's just a bunch of blank space.
Fine. Then just stop it and restart it.
Going up to the DJ table.
Yours doesn't stop and restart, does it?
No, you gotta stop it.
Yeah, and then start a new
restart
video.
Yeah, just do it.
Oh, well, it's too late now. Maybe I'll see if I can download an editing thing, and because there's ways to edit the videos like that.
Ooh, is that Ricker Fries? Oh, Williams French fries. Ooh, I might be stopping. You got my phone.
What do you need it for?
I was looking for it. So, 2 Fox bodies. What?
I want to go down that direction.
Well, yeah, I know. I wanted you to see the car.
Wasn't sure if you were. Sorry.
Well, no, I didn't know. I was talking to one.
These ones right here, that here,
Mm-hmm.
really nice.
Yeah, no, I like
body
those. They're my
style.
favorite.
They look pretty nice as hell. I don't know what it is, but I liked them when I was a kid too. Firebirds.
It's weird that with the
Trans
brawl.
Ams. Yeah. I just like the body style of it, man. It's like an arrow. Probably why I like Fox Body so
What
much.
the
It's an arrow.
hell?
It says teacher's pet.
What's that?
A lariat.
I will. I'm gonna come back and do them at the end.
Yeah, we could do them at last. Yeah, just do this and then we'll come back over here. I love that.
Yeah,
Skylark. Fairlane. I think they like Kermit.
a little bit.
That tippy toe. Ooh, big old Chevy Suburban. Oh, that's awesome. Not enough.
It will.
Probably getting third gear first.
Here we go with another call out of the station. Can you name? Answer the phone, dummy. Yeah, that's it, but I don't know no secret agent spy scopes. No, the secret agent spy scope, man. That points at the moon, the stars.
Don't walk in front.
I'm not. I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, when you walk over there, you run into me a lot.
John, bust around, Fanny Mae.
Big old Cadillac. Someone's heavy on the brakes. Buick Special. No shit. Wow. Rally Sport original. Ugly. Tommy's ugly. Tommy's so ugly. Tommy, did Tommy do
definitely
that
covering
deal
up. What deal?
with his car? Is he getting rid of it?
No, I told you we welded his shocks on.
I know, but I thought he was.
He was only
selling
doing it because he was frustrated he couldn't weld his shocks on and he needed a car that ran.
Yeah, but I thought
No,
he was
dude,
getting rid of it. To
no,
dude.
dude didn't get back to him.
Ah, that's messed up.
Yeah, he said he would a bunch of times,
Oh,
but
Pontiac Venture. No shit. Wow.
that looks like your dad's.
Actually, it's a Dart. Dodge
Yeah,
Dart.
I'm just talking
It
about
was
the
close.
patina look.
Patina? No, my dad's. I ain't
That's what I said,
that's just
patina
fucked
look.
up.
I know your dad's is.
It's just fucked up. Yeah, I want to do those fuel lines. I want to do the braided fuel lines.
Oh, the shine on that.
Yeah, if you noticed, I don't know if you've noticed, but the older gentlemen that have the older cars take care of it a lot more.
They got more time.
Oh my God.
And he has maple syrup and brown sugar.
Get that. It's a 3.8 Super Coupe. Turbocharged.
I have a spread.
Wow. I've never seen one like this.
Now you have.
Yeah, I've never seen.
Oh,
Look at that color.
It's beautiful. Did you still drive my truck in that color?
That's where they start with yours.
We were the one. Cheaper value. But my wife still works.
All right, I'd like to remind everybody we have the pleasure of having Williams French Fries here today. They're over
I'm not. You just keep
behind the
stopping.
pavilion. Williams French Fries. Go get yourself some today.
They registered it.
All right, we got some more door prizes. Everybody want to listen up for your number being called, maybe? All right. Door prize number 169. Rick and Lori. 187. Stephen Brown. Number 075. John Warner. Number 115. Victor Dove. Number 163, David Sostek.
That's good though. I'd rather lose this and win the dark. Or
Number
win the
114,
You said
Larry
115, bro.
114.
Number 189, Butch Wolf.
Someone left their keys in the back.
Number 170, Oscar Lay. Number 024, Mark Goldsmith. And number 005, Anna Moore. Prize numbers, if you got it, go over to the table where the door prizes are and pick up your door prize.
I can't think of that guy's name, man. It has a Celine. I think it's Warner. No. Maybe it is Warner. Oh, you got my phone. Damn it.
Probably.
Wanted to do it with my phone.
I didn't want you to do it with your phone, so.
It's funny though, like even in yours, they have little like hidden stuff. There's probably something on your truck. There's one box, you open up your door box.
Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Johnny, oh, that's what I wanted to show you. You see how this stuff comes out?
I'm not stopping. We can come back. Oh, you didn't have to move, but thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Nope, sorry.
Gentlemen,
Well, you touched me. You speak, don't touch.
I'm stop you.
Speak, don't touch. I don't know what you mean by touching. Look at the paint on that, though.
That's it.
That's different.
It's a Javelin, AMC Javelin.
I mean, the paint.
AMX Javelin. Hey, look at that color, man. Damn.
Sorry, I'm not trying to rush you, but my arm hurts and I want to get it over with.
Here, I'll do it.
Nope.
Rose gold. That's rose gold.
That's not rose gold,
That's
but
rose
okay.
gold.
That's a blush.
Rose gold. I wonder how they keep the firewheel so clean. This firewall. Cougar. Ooh, Terminator. Cougar. Terminator Cougar. That's color. That's that mystic.
Actually, just like it.
You don't like it?
Nope.
That's that mystic color. What?
Like that.
Wow. We need to do a circle around here.
No.
Do a circle one. Only specific ones you do it for, but that's definitely one. Go the whole way around and come back out front.
I know what I'm doing.
You see the ponies in the door? No, look at the back window, Seth. Back window. No, look at the front quarter window.
I see that, Joshua. Yeah, well, I didn't know you were talking about that.
Yeah, the pony in the window.
I just see the quarter window or something. See back window. I looked at the back window.
I did say back quarter window too.
No, you didn't. You said
Yes,
back
I
window.
did.
Back window.
Just in this video.
I will.
Yep.
Well, I figured every time I see a 54, walk,
that's cool. It's got the turn handle.
Yeah, it
Start
does.
the engine.
Oh, the crank?
Yeah, the crank in the front. That thing's low.
Yeah, it is. It's actually pretty cool looking.
Military car. Semper Fi.
It's a pretty color, oddly.
No, you didn't.
GTR.
Huh?
GTR.
Yeah, man.
Actually, I think I saw this.
Yeah, it's flying in.
No, I saw this dude. I think that's the one he had up for sale, putting feelers out.
Oh, a GSX. Maybe I'll get out here for it. Oh, I did pull it over. That's a pretty color.
No, it's different.
Like a purple.